you're thinking about making a move to Houston, Texas, I'm excited to share Houston and all we have to offer with you. We are going to take a look at retirement living and/or called 55 plus. If you are looking to live a resort style life with amazing amenities ranging from a private marina, a golf course, an orchard, and people in the same season of life as you, then I'm going to tell you why Chambers Creek is the community you don't want to miss out on in Willis, Texas. If this is your first time to the channel and you're interested in all things living in Houston, then subscribe and you'll be the first to know about the current market in Houston, Texas. My name is Erica Sprague. I'm the broker and owner of Lane Realty, and I have lived and worked in the Houston area for almost 20 years. I grew up in San Antonio, I went to Texas A&M University, and I moved to Houston and I made it my home. So I love helping others move to Houston and around the area and make it their home as well. Whether your move is 9 days or 90 days from now, I'd love to talk to you. Our contact information is in the description, so please reach out and let us know how we can make your move to Houston a smooth one. We are in Chambers Creek of Willis, Texas. It is an active adult community, and what that means is that you need to be 55 or older in order to own a home in this community. It is reserved for occupants of adult age, and so if you have grandchildren, they can visit. If you have adult children, they can come and visit. They just cannot live permanently on the property. And what you want to know about Chambers Creek is that if you are looking for a community to be with your peers in a season of life where your children are grown and gone, and you want to be with others who are enjoying the same things, whether that is golf or lake life or montage or being at the pool or having a workout facility in the clubhouse, having your very own orchard, which they do have in progress. This community was meant to be special. And so when you get out here and you see the topography, you're going to feel like you're in the hill country. They have done a really good job of creating a tranquil, just warm, beautiful environment out here. And right now they have 9 builders. 3 of them are custom home builders, and 6 of them are your traditional spec home builders where you get to go in and choose from the inventory they have in existence. You can purchase homes anywhere from the low 300s up to the $1 million point. And what you're going to see there is you might have 2-bedroom homes, you might have 5-bedroom homes, you might have 1,600 square feet, you might have 4,000 square feet. So there's something for everyone. Just because you are in the active adult period of your life doesn't mean that you are downsizing. And Chambers Creek with Caldwell Communities has done a fabulous job of introducing luxury into this niche of our lives. And so I'm eager to share the builders here with you and show you some of the amenities they have. Again, if you want to golf, they have a golf course in the community designed by Tim Lehman. They have their own private marina that is connected to Lake Conroe. So if you have a boat and you want to get out there and do your fishing or do your jet skiing, take the grandkids out there, that is an option for you. As I said, they have an orchard / vineyard that they are growing. And so if you are a wine enthusiast or you just like the beauty of the fruit that will be out there and also to partake in it, you can do that too. They have a fabulous clubhouse that you'll see where you can go work out either with the weights and your treadmills on your own, an independent workout, or they have a dedicated room where you can attend group classes. They also have several activities throughout the month to bring the people in the community together. They have a huge push for growth and stimulation throughout this period of time. They want all their residents to be connected emotionally. They want them to be connected intellectually. They want them to be connected physically. And they have so many things in place to make sure that anyone who lives here can be involved in the way that they want to. So let's take a look at Builder Row, as many communities like to call it, and see what there is. All right, so the several models that they have in place are from Caldwell Homes. They have Toll Brothers, they have Coventry, Beazer is building in here. You have Partners in Building. You also have Del Webb. And so the custom builders don't have model homes out here, but you get to have a really good idea of the selection that you have to choose from, the different features that these home builders offer in their products. And what you want to know about Chambers Creek is that the tax rate right now is about 3%. There is an HOA. The HOA is about $3,100 a year. And that gives you access to all the amenities they have. Their fabulous clubhouse with workout facilities, the golf course. You can see they're still working on some of the model home development out here. And you'll have access to the orchard. You'll have access to the marina. This community has miles of walking trails. They have a dedicated chapel, which is called the Hillside, and this is a multi-purpose building, but it is beautiful, and we're going to take a look at it. So we are taking a look at Caldwell Homes. This floor plan is just over 2,800 square feet. We have a really good idea of the product they build. We have high ceilings, 5-inch baseboards, lots of natural light. This is a great flex space or office room. Amazing kitchen, open to the whole home. Right now, they're running a special from Caldwell that is about $50,000 for you to use however you like. And the view from this model is amazing. So you too could pick your own lots and have an amazing view. Great outdoor kitchen area for you to enjoy. They do have gas log fireplaces. It's your primary bedroom, really spacious. Large open primary bathroom, huge shower. Love that with your little shower step so you can sit down and do what you need to do. His and hers closets, a nice little vanity. And this connects to your laundry room, a feature I love. I feel like this is so efficient and helpful. Mudroom. This connects to your garage here, which does not open, but your nice pantry. And then we're back into the kitchen. Great little wine fridge there for you. So just very luxurious, high-end living. Lots to love here. This is Caldwell's Bluebell plan. It's just under 2,100 square feet. I love that it's called Bluebell because if you are not from the Houston area, you might not know that the ice cream company known as Bluebell is located in Brenham. And it is a short trip to go to their factory and get some fresh ice cream and get a tour of how they do things at Bluebell. So Bluebell is a fond term here in Houston, let alone Texas. So this is a smaller floor plan, so you can get a feel for if they're using the same concept, same touches in their smaller floor plan. See how they use their space. You know, it's not all about the square footage number, but how the builder uses the floor plan and where they put things and how they use the space. Again, this has a beautiful view, so that makes you understand they really want you to see the outdoors. They want your home to be filled with natural light, They want you to really appreciate the community you're living in. Nice warm colors, hardware on the cabinetry. Nice little coffee station in here, or butler's pantry. This little nook is currently being set up as an office space. You could use it as a craft space. Could be an extension of your laundry room. Great pantry. They have an outdoor patio. This is your primary bedroom and your primary bathroom. So again, they utilize very large vanity, more than enough room for 2 people. Large stand-up shower. And a really good sized closet. So in my opinion, you would never feel like this home was just under 2,100 square feet. They do a great job of using this space. Now we're going to take a look at Toll Brothers Regency floor plan. Love this elevation, feels really modern. So this is their co-mouth floor plan. It's just over 2,800 square feet. And these size homes ranging between 2,800 and 3,100 are starting at $615 with Toll Brothers. They're on 70-foot lots. So you have a larger lot with a little bit larger home. Your laundry room. This is your study. Toll Brothers is a great builder to work with. Helped a client build with them in another area. They picked out their own lot, their own floor plan, the design center, everything. So got to experience the full process, and Toll Brothers really is customer service oriented. They want their clients to feel great about the process and the purchase they're making. You can see your taller baseboards in here. Very nice shower. You step down. Very nice. Tile all the way up. So we're still in the front half of the home. And then once again, I love this community. Every builder is dedicated to using the view, using the natural light. I love all these sliding glass doors. They really make the space look larger and again, enhance that natural beauty of this community. So lots of cabinets, counter space. You have room for breakfast bar eating. This is your dining area or your breakfast table. Gas cooktops. That is your microwave down here, just so you know. And here you're having a KitchenAid appliances. This is your breakfast bar. Here we get to take a peek at our, oh, we don't get to see it, but this is your tremendous pantry. Lots of room in there. Lots of goodies. That connects to the model, that's why that's locked. So everything in here is streamlined as far as your hardware. So great covered patio. You have a nice water feature out here with some turf. Outdoor kitchen. Again, amazing view. So there are several lots left and you could choose one with an amazing view as well. Toll Brothers is building smaller floor plans as well. The 1,600 to about 1,900 square feet. those are ranging from about $400,000 to $500,000 range. We're in the primary suite. Beautiful vanity, soaking tub, great shower with your rainfall faucet shower head. Primary closets. Lots of room for everyone to feel like they have their own space. And then this connects to your laundry room again, which a feature I love. So efficient, accessible to your secondary bedrooms and your primary. We have taken a quick look at Chambers Creek in Willis, Texas, and it is by far my favorite active adult community in North Houston. Again, if you are a golf enthusiast, a natural beauty lover, you want to be in the pool, you want to have community with your fellow neighbors, if you want to have walking trails, if you want to have topography and be able to take your walk and just see some beautiful nature, you want to be close to 45, but not here 45, which is a major highway, and be less than 25 minutes away from more shopping and your medical facilities, then Chambers Creek is the community that you need to check out. And I hope this video has been helpful to you. Remember, the tax rate is about 3%. There is an HOA. It's about $3,100 a year right now, and it gives you access to all the amazing amenities we've taken a look at. So if you want more information about North Houston and the suburbs there, I encourage you to take a look at some of our other videos, and I'd love to hear from you.